Hi guys, how's it going? Just taking the puddle jumper out for a spin over at Lake Hodges. Let's have a quick look at my bike carry. Alright, what we got? We got the main one, the Voyager, cold steel. Big boy. And what's in my left pocket? Flashlight, M5, great flashlight. There's that. And I got the Pioneer on a chain. So there's that. And what else have I got? I always carry something in my camera case. What have I got in there? I know it's a utility, not the Work Pro. These are great. There'll be a link down in the description for all this stuff. But these things are great for a pack of 3, and they're all stainless steel, lock and blade. It's got a clip there, it's pretty deep carry, goes in your 5th pocket, perfect. These things are, I think right now they're about $12 for 3, can't go wrong. So I got that, and I know I got another little one on me somewhere, top pocket. Yeah, got my little rocket in my pocket. Assist opening, this is a fun little thing. I keep meaning to put it on my key rings, but I gotta find a little ring for it. So that's what I'm carrying. And I always have one in here. This is my toolkit. As well as my tools, a little flashlight, just a little cheapo, and the camper. Because the camper's got a whole ton of tools on it, hasn't it? It's got the saw. It's got 2 knife blades, can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, corkscrew, and an awl, tweezers, toothpick. So that's why that one's in there. You never know. Them little tools could come in handy one day. So here we are, guys. Hell of a view, huh? And if you keep going in that direction over the mountains, you're in Mexico. Literally, from my front door, I can drive and be in Mexico within 30 minutes. As long as there's not too much traffic. But yeah, I'm real close to Mexico. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later.